Hey everyone, ever feel like there's just not enough time in the day to get everything done? You're hustling, but that to-do list just keeps growing. Listen, we've all been there. Feeling overwhelmed and unproductive can be super frustrating, but the good news is, becoming a productivity powerhouse is totally achievable. In this video, I'm sharing my personal top tips and strategies to help you unlock your productivity potential and get more done in less time. We're going to break down actionable steps you can start using right now to take control of your day and smash those goals. Whether you're a student drowning in assignments, an entrepreneur juggling a million things, or just someone looking to level up their daily life, this video is for you. Let's get started. One of the most impactful things you can do to boost your productivity is to master the art of prioritization. It's like having a superpower against a mountain of tasks. See, when you have a clear understanding of what absolutely needs to get done and what's actually important, you can direct your energy where it matters most. No more feeling scattered or wasting time on low-impact activities. The key here is to start with a simple to-do list. Brain dumping everything swirling around in your head onto paper or a digital list is incredibly freeing. Then, and this is crucial, rank those tasks. What absolutely has to get done today? What can wait? What can be delegated? This ranking system is your roadmap to productivity gold. Let's be real, we live in a world of distractions. It's like we're surrounded by shiny objects constantly vying for our attention. Social media notifications, emails popping up, that irresistible urge to check the news. It's a recipe for productivity disaster. But don't worry, we can fight back. The first step is awareness. Start noticing what your biggest distractions are. Are you glued to your phone every 5 minutes? Is it that website you just can't resist clicking on? Once you know your enemy, you can start implementing strategies to win the war against distraction. The Pomodoro Technique, your productivity secret weapon. Okay, want to hear about one of my all-time favorite productivity hacks? It's called the Pomodoro Technique, and it's a game changer. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a single task with laser focus. No multitasking, no checking your phone, just pure, undiluted concentration. Once the timer goes off, reward yourself with a short 5-minute break. This cycle of focused work followed by short breaks is incredibly effective for maintaining focus and preventing burnout. Trust me, once you experience the power of the Pomodoro Technique, you'll never go back. The power of crystal. Clear goals. Imagine this. You're an archer aiming at a target. Without a clear target in sight, your arrows are going to fly off in all directions, right? The same goes for your goals. Having clear, defined goals is like having that bullseye to aim for. When you know exactly what you want to achieve, you can create a step-by-step plan to get there. Break those big, intimidating goals down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Suddenly, what seemed impossible feels totally achievable. Crafting your ideal workspace. Your environment has a huge impact on your productivity. Think about it. Trying to focus in a cluttered, chaotic space is like trying to meditate during a rock concert. It's just not going to happen. Take some time to create a workspace that inspires focus and creativity. Declutter your desk, add some plants, let in natural light. Make it a place where you actually want to spend time. Remember, the goal is to eliminate distractions. So put your phone on silent, turn off those pesky notifications, and let yourself get into the zone. So there you have it, my top tips and strategies to boost your productivity and reclaim control of your time. Remember, becoming more productive isn't about becoming a robot. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about setting yourself up for success by creating a system that works for you. Stay focused, prioritize like a pro, and don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop your best productivity tips in the comments below. Let's share the knowledge and build a more productive community together. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button for more videos on self-improvement, productivity hacks, and leveling up your life. Until next time, stay productive.